If you clicked on this video, you are probably looking for a quick and effective solution to constipation, belly fat, bloating, and water retention, along with other little problems that arise when we neglect ourselves a bit. Today, I'm here to share an incredible tip that I've been following for some time and which seems like a true miracle. Hello, everyone. If you're new to the channel, take a moment to subscribe right now by clicking the red button below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I'm sure you're going to love the tip I'm sharing today. Remember that everything I talk about and use here is tested by me, and I always prioritize natural products to ensure no one's health is compromised. Let's move on to the recipe for this miraculous tea. First, we need to heat some water in a pot, but without letting it boil. The ideal point is when small bubbles start to appear at the bottom of the pot. You can use as much water as you plan to drink throughout the day. And my recipe, I always use 400 milliliters to drink when I wake up and before bed. Next, add a pinch of rosemary, which can be fresh or dried. Rosemary has a diuretic action, helps reduce water retention, and regulates the intestines. We'll also use 2 teaspoons of green tea, which reduces body fat, curbs appetite, and speeds up metabolism. Add some grated ginger. There's no exact amount, use as much as you think is necessary. Ginger has a thermogenic effect, aids digestion, and combats intestinal gases. And before the last ingredient, if you are on the weight loss journey and want to burn up to 30% more calories without drugs or crazy diets, click the first link in the description and get to know Live Pure, and start achieving the results you've been dreaming of. Last but not least, add hibiscus, which is great for stimulating fat burning, preventing the absorption of some carbohydrates by the body, aiding in weight loss, and improving circulation. After adding all the ingredients, give it a stir, cover it, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then, strain and drink it warm or put it in the fridge to drink cold. You can drink this tea in 2 ways. In an emergency, for example, if you're going to an event at night, make the tea at noon and drink it right after, as it needs at least 6 hours to take effect. That way, by night, your belly will be flat, and you'll be ready for the event. The other way is to drink it regularly, like I am doing now, to keep a flat belly. I recommend drinking it at least 3 times a week, but it can be daily if you prefer. Just be careful not to get tired of the taste, especially if you don't like ginger, like me. One tip is to prepare a 1-liter bottle, put it in the fridge, and consume it throughout the day. For instance, I am here recording and chatting with you with my bottle by my side. That way, when you notice, you will have already drunk a liter of tea during the day. And that's it, my loves. Make this recipe at home and let me know what you think. I love sharing these natural tips with you, things I learned from our grandmothers, who didn't have medicines at their disposal. And if you want to lose weight even faster, click the first link in the description. If you also like alternative medicine and natural products, try it out and then tell me about it. Good luck, a kiss, stay with God, and see you next time.